Look how well Peter's doing, coming out with me in the morning. We're just on the way back now. That way it's peeing it down.
I'm loving it. Here we are on gimbal, on the motorbike, on the push bike. Anna's doing really well, aren't you?
I'm home now.
Looking forward to a cup of tea. And so I'm going to have some toast. Oops.
Nearly done the 4 miles.
You've done so well. I'm so proud of you, honey.
Thank you.
No, you're amazing. And there's the cows, look.
It stopped raining for a moment.
It stopped raining.
How's it going?
It's very good. Ducks are helping.
Ducks are hungry. Geese are helping. Terry's telling you how to do it.
He doesn't like it, does he?
He doesn't think you're doing it right.
Every bit of fence goes up, there's a little bit less space for him.
Listen to them. The sun's coming out.
Yes! So we're now ready to put the capping on. And if you remember when we started, I talked about not just putting that fat rail on that we can use potentially as a bit of a bum rest or a seat.
Is that a technical term, fat rail?
Yeah, of course. It's a professional carpenter's term. We're going to finish it off. We're going to put a bit of thickness underneath it. Haven't quite worked out what to do yet, but just to give it a bit more chunkiness. So I'm just going to get on with that now. I'm going to cut a mitre in that corner and just cut this off square.
Are these what you call the fat bits that you're doing?
That's the technical term, honey. Yeah, that's the technical term. Fingers. Let me show you what we're doing. This is just an off cut, but this is the rail at the top. So at the moment we've got a bit of banister. In fact, I'll show you it all. Look, we've got a bit of this, got a bit of banister on top.
On top of the railings.
On top of the railing. So this is a finished surface at the moment with the spindles coming down from underneath, and that doesn't look very pretty, and it's old. So I thought I'd cap it with a bit of decking, turn decking over and cap it so it's like that. The trouble with that is it may look like a piece of decking I've just put on top. So to disguise that, what I'm going to do is give it a bit of thickness by putting a bit of this. Here, this is roofing slats, tile slats. I'm just going to put that on there, on that edge, to give it a bit of thickness. Then this underneath here, look, would hardly be seen. Anyway, that's the idea. That should make it look a lot more chunky.
Okay, so we can put our drinks on there.
Put your drinks on it, put your bum on it. Be nice and strong, hopefully.
The cats can sit on it.
The cats will love to sit on it. So this is what I'm doing now. This is a part of the, this is the first one that I've just cut. So I'm just going to put this on, see what it looks like. If it doesn't look any good, we can just take it off. We don't have to use it.
I've brought you a smile.
You smile?
Yeah, look.
Oh, I'll have that. Ace. Oh, look, the warm.
Here we go.
Awesome.
I think your woodwork passes this. Perfect, Peter. Look, Nova's testing the sturdiness. I'm going to sit over there.
Let's do the stress test.
Which bit shall I sit on?
Any of that bit. That bit's finished, that top rail. It's going to go back. You're either going to be okay or it's going to look like you're being baptised if you fall backwards.
Oh.
It's good. Is it about the right height? Is it what you wanted?
It's the right height for me.
Yeah, might be a bit low for me, but that's fine.
No, but I wanted it low so we could still see out onto the lake.
And that's the idea, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to do the other bits now, honey.
Look at this hailstone. We've stopped for the day now because the weather just got worse.